In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. Whether you're looking to transfer funds via a debit card, bank account, or even cryptocurrency, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's dive into the process, beginning with the general approach and then exploring each specific withdrawal method. First, you'll want to head over to the Kalshi Help Center and navigate to the Withdraw Funds section. This is where you'll find all the options and guidelines for withdrawing your funds securely and efficiently. Now, checking for any holds is essential before making a withdrawal. Click on Security Holds to understand any restrictions on your account or funds which may impact your ability to withdraw. Awareness of the hold periods, especially for different types of deposits, helps you plan accordingly. If you've deposited funds using a debit card, be sure to check the waiting period specific to this method. Depending on when you made your initial deposit, you might need to wait a bit before those funds become available for withdrawal. The same goes for bank transfer deposits. Knowing these timelines can save you from unnecessary delays. Let's start with debit card withdrawals. Make sure all the funds you want to withdraw are in your cash balance. This straightforward requirement is crucial, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. Once confirmed, navigate to the Transfers tab by selecting the drop-down menu located in the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll select Withdraw from Kalshi and then choose Debit Card as your preferred withdrawal method. After selecting the debit card to which you want to transfer the funds, all you have to do is complete the transaction. Next, for those preferring a bank withdrawal, the steps are remarkably similar. Again, ensure that all funds to be withdrawn are in your cash balance. Head over to the same Transfers tab, select Withdraw from Kalshi, and then choose Bank Transfer. You'll then pick the linked bank account intended for the fund transfer and finalize the transaction. Finally, if you're tech savvy and dealing with cryptocurrencies, Kalshi offers a crypto withdrawal option through Zero Hash. Begin by ensuring your funds are in the cash balance. As with the previous methods, navigate to the Transfers tab and select Withdraw from Kalshi, then choose Crypto as the method. You'll be guided through the necessary steps by Zero Hash to send the funds back to your specified wallet address, completing the transaction in a few simple clicks. And there we have it, 3 robust, simple methods to withdraw your funds from Kalshi. Each step is designed for ease and security, giving you peace of mind as your money moves. Choose the method that suits you best and complete your transactions confidently. Thanks for watching and happy trading with Kalshi.